I think one of the biggest struggles that teenage girls face today is that they have so many voices all the time, constantly, and very few of those voices are telling them the truth. Even really well-intentioned people that love them are telling them these sound bites of truth in this desperate attempt to encourage, because I think that we all see the problem. I think that we all see the rampant insecurity and the drama and the attention seeking, and I think that we all have an awareness that it's coming from this hole. Really well-intentioned people are saying things to try and fill that hole, and it's just falling short. 10 Things for Teen Girls is based on a list that I wrote called 10 Things I Want to Tell Teenage Girls. I posted this blog at 2 o'clock on a Sunday morning, and I woke up the next day and went to church and came home and found hundreds of thousands of views on my website overnight. I hope that as people read this book, it will be the very beginning of just a bombardment of truth and of this positive message that I am enough. I am a child of God. I am created in the image of God, and I am loved by Him, no strings attached, right now, in this minute, enough. Some of the things that I talk about are all attention is not equal. You think you want attention, but you don't want respect. Don't go to the tanning bed. Doing dangerous things to your body for the sake of beauty is not beautiful. When you talk about your friends anonymously on Facebook, we know exactly who you're talking about. The number of times you say, "I hate drama," is a pretty good indicator of how much you love drama. Follow your heart is probably the worst advice ever. Smoking is not cool. Stop saying things like, "I don't care what anyone thinks about me." The minute you start batting eyelashes is all you've got. The world we live in is twisted and broken, and for your entire life, you will be subjected to all kinds of lies that tell you that you are not enough. You were created for a purpose, exactly so. You have innate value. You are beautiful. You are valuable. You are enough.